Are you thinking about if you should get an inspection done before listing your home? In the San Diego area, it's normal for buyers to pay for the inspections. But sometimes it makes sense for sellers to do the inspections early. Hi, I'm Jill Holden, broker-owner of J.E. Holden Realty. As a seller, it's important to know your home's condition up front. You don't want any surprise expenses popping up later. For example, extreme termite issues costing sellers up to $25,000 or more, or an unknown foundation issue, electrical issues, roof leaks, or hidden mold. Things like this. These are stressful situations you'd rather be aware of before the buyer. Typically, there's no need to panic. There are solutions. With any repairs, you have a few options. Sell the home as is and disclose the issues. Don't sell it all, which you really don't want to do. Make repairs before listing, or negotiate credits or costs with the buyer. The goal of upfront loading inspections is simple. It eliminates surprises that could hurt your finances or derail your sale. We often recommend 3 standard seller paid inspections: your general home inspection, your roof inspection, and your termite inspection. Doing inspections ahead of time gives you insight into what needs fixing and what you're willing to fix. You can negotiate better and set realistic expectations. So doing inspections first, it gives you peace of mind and control over the negotiations. It prevents buyers from asking for costly, unexpected repairs. And it helps ensure the amount you'll net for planning your next move. These are important. It often makes your home more appealing to buyers and lenders if repairs are already completed. And if your buyer is using a loan that requires repairs or termite work, which they often do, having them completed up front means fewer hurdles before closing. We want a smooth closing. Bottom line, getting inspections early helps everybody. Helps you, the buyer, and the lender feel confident in your home's condition. And you know what? It's more likely the deal will close smoothly, and that's what we all want. All parties will be happy. Remember, oh man, your peace of mind is in the selling process is very important. I'm Jill Holden with J.E. Holden Realty. And it's your life, it's your terms, and it's your move. Bye for now.